Vegan raw cake recipe. We come to the local market and get our fruits, which are 3 bananas, 1 orange and the fruit of a baobab tree. Then we start with our base layer, which is 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1/4 cup of oats and 1.5 cups of dates. We mix them all together and add 1 to 3 tablespoons of water that we have a sticky paste. We put it into the freezer. Here we see the ingredients for the second layer. We squeeze some orange and open the baobab fruit. We take the dry part out and put it together with 1/4 cup of soy drink to soak. We open 1 mango and cut it into small pieces. With a fork, we smash the mango until we have a soft paste. Then we add 3 tablespoons of fresh pressed orange juice and the mix from the baobab fruit and the soy drink. Once it is done, we let it freeze for around 6 hours. Here's ingredients for the third layer. We open 1 avocado and smash it with a fork until we have a soft paste. We add 1.5 cups of cacao powder and 3 overripe bananas and again smash them with a fork. All ingredients are done. We put them together. Once it is done, we can top with some peanuts and let it freeze for another 12 hours. Enjoy! Thank you for watching!